This is a setup for hip internal rotation eccentric neural grooving. We're using ankle cuffs to attach to a cable setup, and I'm using an incline bench to support my working leg. But you could also use a tall plyo box that allows your leg to swing into internal rotation without your foot having to drag on the floor. I'm using a band to help me pull into the concentric. The reason that we're doing that is because for the eccentric neural grooving, the purpose is to funnel as much of that work into the connective tissue. And if we allow the eccentric to be where we spend the most energy in terms of the working set, then that's going to bias the connective tissue a little bit more than if we were to spend some of that energy on the concentric. So in this case, even if you can do the concentric, we want to pull ourselves into that and help the leg do that so that it can spend more energy where we want it to spend that energy. So we're going to put the band around the ankle, so you have a good loop, and then with the ankle cuff, we're going to attach it so that the cable is pulling our leg out. What's good about this setup is you can just plant your leg and then swing the other leg around to fall into the position. So from here, we want the leg supported. We want it to be able to have support so it can move through the axis of internal and external rotation. We're going to grab the band and we're going to start in external rotation. We're going to squeeze our leg to hold this position. We're going to support ourselves, begin the irradiation, make sure that everything is tense, and we're going to hold, slowly let go of the band, and we're going to slowly control that eccentric all the way to length. Make sure that you're getting all the way to length, and then you're going to pull back into the starting position. And all the way to length. Probably going to have to do this for time or for reps, but the idea here is to get that stimulus and to put in enough effort depending on what the desired outcome is.